Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So being a healthy geek is really important to me. However, I don't want to spend a lot of time on it, and so what I like to do is keep things really simple. And so this is what I do daily, and that is my smoothies. And so what I have here is kale, strawberries, carrots, banana, avocado, raspberry, and some blueberries. And right here I have some almond milk. And so what's in it? Well, a lot of good stuff. It's packed with vitamins, nutrients, fiber, all the good stuff. And so that's what I'm going to use here. So all I simply do is I just dump the kale in here. And it's not really difficult. You could cut this up if you'd like. And so I just going to dump all of this. So as you can see there, I've got everything in there. And all I have to do now is go ahead and put the cover on top. And I'm going to just simply put it in this blender and get this thing smooth up. So there it is, a super nutritious and delicious smoothie that took less than 5 minutes. So if you had any thoughts on this, or maybe you had your own smoothie recipe, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.